Okay. How do I look right here, right now?
Turn off your camera. We are having a talk.
Hold on, let me just do a little intro. Anyways, hi you guys, welcome.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, what's up? It's Elsa. Whoa, get out of here. Okay, I feel like it's gonna be starting hectic. The dogs they start to get like excited when someone pulls up in the driveway. That's just Clela, calm down. You guys, I'm loving this pink hair. I was really unsure at first, but it's so cute. And Surya just stared at me. Okay, anyways, you guys, I'll see you guys in the car. I'm gonna vlog today, so I'm hoping to get a new chair because my chair is so squeaky in my bedroom and it's really annoying. All I hear while I'm trying to edit the video is my squeaking chair, and it's bothering me so much that I finally need to just get a new chair. And I've been saying I need a new chair for probably so long, and today I'm hoping to get one. And I'll talk to you guys.
That was a run-on sentence, right?
Really? I know, I actually talk like that.
Okay, say goodbye. Goodbye, guys.
Yeah, goodbye, you guys. My sister has tea to spill.
Oh my goodness.
I feel like we do this all the time. Yeah, she literally is waiting for me because she has tea to spill, so I gotta go. Guys, I haven't been in IKEA in so long. IKEA is so cool. I don't know, I'm just like fascinated by IKEA right now. This is cute. Oh my god, it matches my hair. Kind of. Guys, I actually found a chair, which I'm excited about. Now we're looking at fake plants. IKEA has so many fake plants, and I'm gonna find a few just so I can make my room look a little bit more, I don't know, springy, gardeny, naturey. I don't know, better than what it is right now. This is cute, isn't it? No? This is kind of cute. I literally always have an issue setting up my camera, and or I hate how I look. How do I stick my, do I like it there? Okay, maybe I like it here. Kind of. So I found a chair. I found a chair that is so cute. It is perfect. But they're sold out. And then I'm like, okay, fine. I'll order online. Also sold out. So I have to wait until it comes back, or I have to find a new chair. But I really need a new chair because that squeakiness is just too much. Yeah, I forgot how fun IKEA is. IKEA is kind of fun. So I'm about to do my makeup, and I'm gonna do a pink eyeshadow look. And whenever I have like colored box braids, I feel like I gotta match my eyes to my hair. I think it just looks so cute. To be honest, I kind of suck at makeup. So I've recently discovered actually that I'm kind of bad at makeup. So you'll never see me trying to give you guys a makeup tutorial. Alright? But yeah, I've had my hair for 2 weeks. You can see it's like getting frizzy, and normally after 2 weeks I would like rebraid the front here, and then like this row I would rebraid, but I got my nails done and I forgot I cannot braid when my nails are this long. I'm eating these Dutch cookies right now. They're so yummy. I can't remember what they're called. They look like little waffles. Yeah, so I put it over my cup. I just have tea in here, and it just warms it up, and it gets a little bit melty, and it's delicious. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit. Oh, do not just fall in there. Y'all are gonna hear my squeaky chair, sorry. This is my favorite foundation. I just ordered another one because I'm out. It's the Huda Beauty. Why does this smell so good? I know a lot of people don't like scented foundation or scented products, like face products, but this foundation smells amazing. Like, dang, it's really all gone. But I'm gonna make it work. I know this is not sanitary, but that's not how I would normally put on my foundation. It's just because I'm out. This foundation, I just can't. Like, it is everything. Like, the coverage is perfect for me, and I'm pretty sure this color is just like, it matches me really well, I think. I don't know how it looks on camera, but in person it matches so well. Guys, this isn't, I don't always snack while I'm doing my makeup. That'd be disgusting. That's a really bad habit. I guess this is kind of like a little get ready with me or do my makeup with me. I don't know. I recently tried doing my eyeshadow. Oh my god, why can't I speak? Recently started doing my concealer like this. Before I would just kind of like, but this is what everyone's doing. It's supposed to give you that like, that look. Oh, I'm so sorry guys. I'm really bad at this. For my foundation, it was the shade, some people might be curious, I don't know. Gingerbread 430N. And my concealer, it is a Too Faced Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer, and it is in the shade Cookie. I love this concealer so much. Alright. I think that looks good. I'm really pushing that in there. Okay, I think that's enough. I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I do my makeup, maybe it's because I'm sitting and my head is tilted, my nose starts to get runny. It's so annoying because it like messes up your makeup around here. I'm gonna do my eyebrows real quick. Sometimes my eyebrows take so long. This one gives me such a hard time, so it's gonna take me a minute. So I'll see you guys in a second when I do my eyebrows. My eyebrows are okay. I'm usually not really happy with them, but no, sometimes I am. But today they're like, Okay, dude, TikTok is making me buy things that I just need to stop because, but this one was actually a good purchase. Okay, this palette is just everything. It's kind of like people compare it to the James Charles palette, but better because it works better for darker skin tones. Yes, it's stunning. What is it? It is the Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 3 Love Tahiti. I'm literally probably gonna only use 2 shades. Just keep it simple. I'm gonna use a different palette actually. Okay, I'm gonna use this ColourPop Cute AF palette instead. I really don't have that much space to work with. Like my eyelids are pretty small. So I'm gonna go with the darker pink. Okay, I just take a little bit of concealer, put it on a brush, and put it on a little bit. Alright. I'm gonna go back with my brush and blend some more. Okay, for my eyeliner, I'm using Rimmel Wonder Ink eyeliner. Eyeliner's stressing me out. My eyeliner looks so bad. I don't even want to like, I don't even want to get too close. It looks so bad. I just like to do a little coat of mascara before I put on my lashes. I really let my under eyes bake for a really long time, but I put the smallest bit of translucent powder so really it doesn't dry out my face too much. Okay, now I'm gonna do the pink under. I feel like I've recently just liked pink a lot. I never understood the color pink. Like I never really liked it so much or even cared for it. I don't think I own one pink piece of clothing. None. I'm gonna do another layer of lashes because I like them a little bit more dramatic. It's cute like this, but it's just kind of like eh. These eyelashes are kind of ugly. Do I care enough to change them? Alright, I'm gonna redo this one real quick. God. Ah! Okay, I kind of hurted. I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up my face, and I use the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation bronzer. Okay, it's the shade Rich Deep 220. Okay, I'm just gonna do my lower lashes and then do my lips and I will be done. Alright guys, this is my look. Oh, pink and cute. Alright, so I'm gonna do my edges. Ugh. Normally, I would not use Got2b glue on my edges just because you gotta wash it out and it'll mess up your braids in the front. But because I've already had my braids in for 2 weeks, it's fine if it gets a little bit messy. It already is. Yeah, I'll probably take out my braids pretty soon, so it's okay if my if my hair gets messy. I feel like that might be a little too much product. Okay, that's not so bad. Don't think I did too bad of a job. Okay, have I left this on long enough? Alright guys, that is my look for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me. I'm gonna miss this pink hair. I think I'm gonna take it out pretty soon, but it's been fun. It's so cute. I love matching my makeup to my hair. I'm already thinking about what color I want to do next. Like, I don't know. I'm thinking turquoise. Oh my god. I feel like turquoise would be so pretty. Do I want to do turquoise? Okay guys, I'm gonna go and record a few videos for TikTok on styling these braids. I've actually already done a few when I had green braids, but I'm gonna do a few more. So if you want to know how I style my box braids, you guys can watch my TikToks. Clea.
I have my comb.
Oh,
I'm not out yet.
she forgets the pick in her hair often, actually.
You don't actually feel it after a while.
No, but it's smart. Just leave it in your hair. So I found out something very sad about the Huda Beauty foundation. So I had gotten my foundation, and then yeah, I had ordered online and I got it, and I was like, hold on, this is not the right foundation because it's not scented, and the one I have is scented. So I go to Sephora to exchange it, and then I find out that they changed their formula because too many people, I guess, were complaining about the scent. But that's what I loved about it. So that was a really sad finding. I am back to looking for a chair still. I have not found a chair yet. So we've been going to, well, actually we've only been to one place, but we're gonna go to another Winners, because Winners can sometimes, it's kind of a hit or miss. Sometimes they carry some really cute things, and sometimes they carry absolutely nothing. And this ponytail is starting to give me a bit of a migraine, so I need to take it down soon.
Are you gonna take it all down?
Yeah, man, usually I can wear ponytails just fine, but
Is it on the wrong angle?
something about this one is starting to give me a migraine. So yeah, this is what I wore for a while actually.
Oh, yeah. I actually don't mind those.
I think for a whole week I had it tied
I
up
do
like
like
this.
the different ways you can style your box braids, but you never
My head is actually so sore right now. I have not had enough water. Clea! This chair literally just broke. I don't think I should get a chair that I kind of like. I need a chair that I really like.
When the chapter we record.
This is the one she re-recorded?
Mm-hmm.
You belong with me.
For me, I think that
I am a Taylor Swift stan. I am a Swiftie for sure. I used to not really care for her back then, but now I am a Swiftie.
Thanks, you too.
Could I have a napkin, please?
Oh, sorry, can I get a napkin? Oh, yeah.
I usually get a black bean quinoa wrap, but they don't have them at this location, so I got a spinach. What was it, Clea?
A spinach feta wrap.
Spinach feta wrap. No, I first thought it was
Not
cheese.
feta? Are you sure?
There's some cheese in it, but
Not that part?
I don't know if you guys remember. But I first thought it was all cheese, and I was kind of like grossed out because I really don't like a lot of cheese, but it's egg whites.
Beef.
I knew I'd have all the spinach in my teeth. Oh my
You
god!
have some orange stuff.
We're gonna go to a few more furniture stores, like real furniture stores this time, and find a chair. I will find a chair today, like seriously. I feel like this whole vlog, literally, Clea, I think I've mentioned this chair and my squeaky chair like 10 times.
Saying she's not gonna find a chair today.
Don't say that.
Okay. I didn't even vlog in the stores. I'm the worst.
That one is gonna be with fries. And then
Still no chair. Why is it so hard to find like a chair? Okay.
you need to charge it.
We're just gonna go pick up food and
Call it a day.
call it a day. I am like drained. I didn't even do much today, but when you have a migraine, it just feels like a lot. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Hi y'all, so I am just taking out my braids, as you guys can tell, and I I'm ready for change. Dramatic. Okay, I need to stop looking at myself. I'm so sorry. That is so annoying, but it feels so weird to look into the lens. I can't wait to wash my hair. It's been 3 weeks. It's gonna feel amazing. My scalp feels fine, and my scalp actually looks clean. But nothing like just, you know, going in on your scalp. By the way, you guys, I did get a new chair. It's a swivel chair, and I hate it. So I'm gonna return it. Actually, my sister found it. She FaceTimed me and was like, do you like this chair? I was like, yes, get it. And then now I don't like it, so I'm gonna return it and keep looking. All right, so I have my hair all out. My hair is so greasy. I'm gonna go wash it and deep condition it and do all that. All right, you guys, I'm just gonna end my video here. I don't even know what this video has entailed because I don't know. But I'm gonna go, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate y'all. Talk to you guys later. Bye.